When replacing a disc brake cable on your bike, consider these brake cable options. Galvanized steel cables. They are more affordable to produce but prone to rust, which can cause the cable to seize within the outer casing. Stainless steel cables. They are more corrosion resistant and, with their smooth surface, glide more easily through the outer casing. Some stainless steel cables are also polished or coated to further reduce friction. Brake levers require specific cable ends. Barrel end cables are for flat bar levers, while pair end cables are for drop bar levers. Tools required: 5mm Allen key, cable cutters, and 1.5mm Allen key or a pin. If your brake uses full casing, start by removing any attachments like plastic retainers on the frame or a clamp on the suspension fork. Next, locate the cable where it connects to the brake caliper and loosen the retaining bolt. The cable end might be flattened or frayed, so trim it to make removal easier. Remove any outer casing. If you're working on a rear brake with multiple casing pieces, remember which length goes where. Reset the barrel adjuster on the caliper. Align the slots on the barrel adjuster and lock ring with the slot on the brake lever. Pull the lever blade and slide the cable through the slot. Then rotate it to release the cable end from the lever. When you're replacing a cable, it's a good idea to change the outer casing and ferrules too. Make sure the new outer casing is cut to the right length by using the old ones as a guide. After cutting the outer casing, the coiled metal can sometimes bend over the opening, blocking the way for the cable. Use your cable cutters to trim it off. Also, the thin piece of PTFE tubing can close up when cut, so use something thin like a pin or 1.5mm Allen key to gently open it up. After cutting and trimming both ends, run the inner cable through to make sure it moves smoothly. Now fit the new ferrules. They are designed to stop the outer casing from unraveling. If the outer casing originally didn't have a ferrule on one end, don't add a ferrule to that side of the new outer casing. Slot the barrel end of the cable into the lever. Slide the cable through the slots on the lever, lock ring and barrel adjuster. Turn the lock ring towards the end of the barrel adjuster and then reset the barrel adjuster. Fit the required piece of outer casing. Route the outer casing, making sure it isn't entangled with the other cables. For the rear brake, fit the outer casing in the required stops, or, if you have a full casing, attach it to the cable guides. Slot the cable through the barrel adjuster and into the pinch bolt. Now it's time to adjust the brake. You can find out here how to do it on mechanical disc brakes. Don't cut the cable yet, leave it until after the final adjustment. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if this video helped and how it went with replacing your disc brake cable. I really appreciate all the support, whether it's subscribing, liking, commenting or sharing my videos with your friends. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.